Hello, and welcome back to the Monoprice studio. My name is Dimitri, and today we're going to be going over our new Flat Adhesive Super Slim Speaker Wire. They are currently available on the website in 3 different sizes, 2 18 gauge with 2 conductor and 4 conductor, and 1 16 gauge with 2 conductor. The Monoprice Flat Adhesive Super Slim Speaker Wire is the perfect solution for discrete wiring. The flat design allows for easy installation over flat surfaces, across rooms, under floors, around corners, or even in vehicles. This flat speaker wire features an adhesive backing to hold the wire in place and has a textured surface similar to that to masking tape, which can be painted over or spackled to hide the wire out of view. With each of the sizes of flat adhesive speaker wire, there is a flat wire to speaker wire connector to be able to use these with any audio component you may have. One side is for flat speaker wire and the other is for normal speaker wire and is locked in place using set screws for each conductor. To connect the flat speaker wire to the connector, you would just remove the protective cover from the wire and slide the flat cable into the opening of the connector until it stops over the metal teeth. Now simply close the connection and you're done. You can also check each connection with the multimeter to ensure continuity on both sides of the connector.